Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Wiwi Talk Pod, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Justin.
Hello, Justin. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be here today.
Before we talk about today's topic, we have a small request.
Yes, we do. If you are listening and you like our podcast, please click the like button, a big thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And if you are new, welcome. Please subscribe to Wiwi Talk Pod.
It helps us so much, and please share this podcast with a friend who is learning English.
Today, we are talking about one of the biggest challenges for every English learner: how to train your brain to actually speak in English without translating everything in your head first.
This is so important, Justin. Many students tell me, Amelia, I know the words, but when I try to speak, my brain is too slow because I am translating from my native language.
I hear that all the time. It's like your brain is doing double work. It hears English, translates to your language, thinks of an answer, translates it back to English, and then says it. That is exhausting.
It really is. So today, we want to give you some exercises to help your brain skip that middle step. We want to help you think in English.
The first tip is very simple, and you can start right now. Label your world. Look around your room. Don't think mesa, think table. Don't think libro, think book.
I love that. You can even use sticky notes. Put a note on the fridge that says refrigerator, or a note on the mirror that says mirror. This forces your brain to connect the English word directly to the object.
Another great exercise is what I call self-talk. This is when you narrate your day out loud, but only to yourself.
I do this when I'm learning a new language. While I'm cooking, I say, now I am cutting the onions. Now I am boiling the water. It sounds funny, but it works.
It works because you are practicing common structures without the pressure of a real conversation. There is no one there to judge you if you make a mistake.
And if you don't know a word, don't stop. Just describe it. If you forget the word spatula, say, the thing I use to flip the eggs. This is a huge skill in fluency.
That brings us to our next point. Learning in phrases, not just single words. When you learn I'm going to as one piece, your brain doesn't have to build the grammar every time.
Exactly. Instead of memorizing go, am, and to, just memorize I'm going to the, and then add the place. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the gym.
This makes speaking much faster. It's like having Lego pieces that are already put together. You just stack them.
Another tip I always give is to change your environment. Change the language on your phone or your computer to English.
That is a bold move for a beginner, but it really works because you already know where the buttons are. You are learning the English words for things you already use every day.
Exactly. You see settings, messages, and search hundreds of times a day. Eventually, those words become natural to you.
What about listening, Amelia? How does listening help train the brain to speak?
Listening is the fuel for speaking, but you have to listen to things you actually understand. If it's too hard, your brain will just shut down.
That's why podcasts like Wiwi Talk Pod are great. We speak clearly and use simple words. When you listen to us, your brain is absorbing the rhythm and the sounds of English.
Try shadowing. This is when you listen to a sentence and then repeat it immediately, trying to copy the speed and the emotion of the speaker.
Let's try it now. I'll say a sentence, and you shadow me, Amelia. I really love learning English.
I really love learning English.
See? You didn't have to think about the grammar. You just copied the sound. If you do this with a movie or a podcast, your brain starts to feel how English is spoken.
Another secret is to stop worrying about being perfect. Perfection is the enemy of fluency.
I agree 100%. When you are too worried about grammar, your brain freezes. It's better to say a broken sentence quickly than a perfect sentence after 5 minutes of silence.
Think of your brain like a muscle. If you want to run a marathon, you don't start by running 26 miles. You start by walking, then jogging.
Speaking English is the same. Start with small sprints. Try to speak for just 30 seconds without stopping. Then try 1 minute.
And give yourself English time. Maybe from 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m., you only think and speak in English. Tell your family or your roommates so they can help you.
That's a great idea. It's like a little English island in your day.
One last thing. Be patient with yourself. Training your brain takes time. You might have days where you feel like you forgot everything, and that's okay.
Even native speakers have days where they can't find the right words. Just keep going. Consistency is more important than intensity.
So to summarize our brain training, 1. Label your objects. 2. Use self-talk to narrate your day. 3. Learn phrases, not just words. 4. Change your phone language. 5. Practice shadowing.
And most importantly, don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Well, I think our listeners have a lot of homework to do now.
Yes, pick just one of these tips and try it today. Just one.
Thank you for joining us today on Wiwi Talk Pod. We believe in you.
We really do. Keep practicing, keep listening, and we will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Bye-bye.